you can create AI realistic influencer just like this, and this. Ensure you watch the video to the end for the full tutorial guide. Before you can create your any AI influencer, you have to have a reference photo. So we are going to Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest and pick our reference photo. Just have to come here and type beautiful lady. So just type it and search. So you are going to be looking around and pick the anyone you like. So just look around, ensure that the face is very showing. So that is the part that is very, very important. So once you see anyone you like, you can just pick it. Okay, let me pick this one. You just pick it. Once you pick it, come here and click download. So it has been downloaded to my device. The next step is to go to ChatGPT to refine our character, because we are not using this as character. So let's go to ChatGPT, attach the prompt, attach the photo, attach the image, then paste this prompt and send it. So you can use ChatGPT, you can use Claude AI. So this is my prompt. I'll just come here to copy my prompt. You can copy from here, you can highlight. After copying, then I will be using Nano Banana for our image. So you need to log in with your Gmail. Just go to Google and search for Flow AI. So once you see Flow AI, just click it and try to log in. Then you will now come here. Once you log in, you come here. You click on create new project. Then you see this particular interface. Click on here. So let's change to image. We are now in image now. And then you come here. You pick Nano Banana 2. I've picked Nano Banana 2. Then your image switch to 4 times. So we are generating 4 results. Here you can use anyone, but I'll be using 1:1. You can use anyone, doesn't matter. I'll be using 1:1 for my own case. I would now paste the prompt I copy from ChatGPT and send it. The purpose of doing this is we don't want to use the same picture we downloaded on Pinterest. We're just trying to make a similar photo because it is that particular image belongs to someone and we don't want to use someone else work. That is why we are trying to refine it. So after the refine, then we are going to create our character sheet. That is the important part. So whenever you want to generate your image, it is that character sheet that you are going to be using always. So let's wait for the result now. So let's wait for it. Very good. This is our result. Ensure that you pick the one that faces the camera. I think you can pick any one of the two now. This is where the job is done. The next thing is to generate different image, different angle of our character. So I have a prompt ready for it. Grab the first prompt, just copy it. Is our step 2. Copy the prompt. Just look for the beautiful one and drag it. I think I like this. So just click it down. Once you click it, you see attach the prompt. Double click it. So it has been added. Then we now paste your prompt. Paste it. So paste it. Once you paste it, now send and wait for the result. So you finish everything. Ensure that you pick the one you decide to choose. So all the rest you can choose to delete them. So you just come to archive. So just come to archive so that you won't have any challenge when you are saving them. So this is the one I'll be using all through. So this is the one. Very good. So we are picking our both left and right. I think we are having left here. She's facing left. Let's see if you are going to have her. She's facing left. So go to second prompt. Click the image again. We are using this particular image all through. Add to prompt, then paste the prompt again. Okay, if it's facing left before, just have to change it to right. And if it's facing right before, just have to come here to change it to right. Here she's facing left, then I want her to face right. I'll just click send now. We are going to generate 6 image. This is the front view. This is the side view, 2 side view. So we need back view. So attach the image again. Click and paste the prompt. This one is for the back view. And let's move to the next one. also attach the image again. So the image is generating, just send everything, and let's move to the last one. So this is the last prompt, which is meant for full wide view, which is for wide view. So now, as you can see, so we are generating 6 images. This is our first image. This is our second image. She's facing left. This is our third. She's facing right. This is our back view, as you can see. This is our front view, as you can see. After you have gotten everything, then you now come and download. You start downloading them one by one. You are not downloading everything, just have to pick one out of the 4. We have 4 results. You come here. This is the first one. This is the front view. Click here to download. So to download from this 4 as well, pick any one that is okay. Click it. Come here, download. So this is facing left, right. You just have to pick any one. Download. So the next one is our back. Pick any one. You're going to pick one. Download. Here now is a front view. Just ensure that the one you are picking is facing the camera. I like this. Our face is showing very well here. Then you download. Then here as well. Just look for the one that is full and then download. Now that we have generated all our image and we have downloaded all our image, the next thing is to create our character full sheet. So you can use any photo collage to create your character full sheet. In my own case, I'll be using Pixelvice. So you can use any photo collage to arrange your picture. We just have to put them together. So ensure that you use white background. I'll just use white background. Then I will upload all my image. So I've uploaded all my image and I will start the arrangement one by one. I'll ensure that in your own case, your image must be 6 in total. It might be 6 in total. You just have to check very well. So it might be 6 in total. So I've started my arrangement. This is the back view. So this is the full view. So if you are using image editor, if you are using collage, you won't have much problem. And you are using the collage.
So
Ensure that they are showing very well. This is very important. Very good. Then you can now save your image. You can now save it. So I've saved my image now. So let's look for, just tell on ChatGPT to give us a prompt for our influencer. Let me use another interface so that I will not feel like I'm using the same chat. Let me use another chat. So let me just say generate. So whenever you're generating your prompt, ensure that you tell the AI not to include any physical description of the character. So I've copied the first one. Now that you are through with everything, all this image, you don't have anything to do with them. So you can open a new chat on your Flow AI, or you can continue with it. So just come here and attach the new image with just our character sheet. You just have to upload it. So it's just be patient for it to upload. So whenever you are generating any image, so you'll be using this particular image to generate your image. So this is the way you are going to be having a consistent character all through. Whenever you're generating, you'll be having a consistent character because we have tried to map everything. We have mapped our face, on side face, left and right, our back. So we've tried to map everything. So I've added it there. We now paste it. And now paste the prompt. So this is my first prompt. Let's go to the second one. Got the second one. Yeah, instead of uploading a new one, just come here. This is it again. You just click it and click add to prompt. So at times you need to double click the auto prompt before you can add. At times it will add once. This is the second one. So you can see I will be adding all this one. You don't need any other one. You'll be adding only this particular one. Paste it. So let's just stop at that particular 3. So the purpose of generating 4 is because at times you have errors like this one. Now we're having error. So that is the reason why we are generating 4 image. So we are having errors, just ignore it. So out of the 4, we only need 1. Then we'll be able to pay, as you can see now. So let's try to check her face. As you can see, she's having a perfect face, exact hair, as you can see, all through. So this is our second image. As you can see here, so as you can see, the image is matching, everything is matching, as you can see. So this is our hair influencer. So as you can see now, this is, let's see, everything is making sense. So then you now start downloading them one by one. This is the third one. As you can see, your face, so perfect. So this is how you are going to be creating your hair influencer. So if you need the prompt, just comment prompt. I will send the prompt to you.